Well, hi everyone, and I thought I'd do some more videos because I've been lacking in the videos department, and I thought I'd show off my new toy, which is an arcade joystick. I know I bought the arcade stick F700, and the reason why I bought it is because it's wireless, so I can sit and like play arcade games. And then I've made a RetroPie, so then I can like do like retro arcade games. So that's what I'm like getting into at the moment. So hopefully some like oh my god, I'm dusty in here. I need to do some more gaming ones. Gaming tubes. I really like the game tube. So I'd like to play some more of this. I've got like a cooler joystick, I've got the buttons, like a proper arcade cabinet, and I've got like downloaded like the arcade games that fit on a Raspberry Pi RetroPie, so I can physically play them. So that might be very cool. And then we can play some serious old school gaming. That's the idea anyway, guys. Be very, very cool indeed. Very, very cool indeed. So I'll put that back there. And yeah, exciting times indeed. So now that we're in October, can you believe it? Steampunk time, steampunk hack time. Thing is, it doesn't really work, the goggles, because I have glasses. Like, if I took my glasses off, then it'd look more like interesting. But I picked this up from Tesco for like £8, steampunk hat for Halloween, which I think's kind of cool. For £8, what do you want for £8? Sorry, £6. What do you want for £6? Very cool indeed. Very cool. So that was fun. That was fun. And yeah, and my plan is to upload a video a day for October. That's my plan. Don't know if I'm going to be able to do it or not, but we're going to try. I can make a few videos on one day and like schedule them, so I think that's what the plan is. I think that's what my plan is going to be anyway. You know, so yeah, more videos to come, guys. More videos to come. Exciting times. Watch this space. So like retro gaming, like more videos, fashion videos, life vlogs, just like everything in general, really. That's what I was thinking of doing. Just my trans life, you know, just me and my trans life. So shocking, you know. So anyway, that's what I'm planning on doing, and going back to like the good old YouTube model of like just vlogs, because everyone's trying to get clever, and I've noticed that like loads of people have got rid of their old like vlog videos and stuff, and I think people still want vlogs. So that's what my plan is, to make like a vlog a day. You know, I've recently been getting into Lipton iced tea lemon as well, but if you read the ingredients, there's no tea in it. But it's only got 44 calories, which is good because I'm trying to like not gain weight. I'm trying to slightly lose weight as well, but the main thing is to not gain weight. But I'm really liking the Lipton iced tea lemon. They also do Coca-Cola lemon, which was like a really funky flavour. I like that, and then I mixed it with some Japanese whiskey and it tasted like amazing. Trouble is, it was one of those tastes where it tasted too good, and like I woke up in the morning with a hangover. I know, you have to be careful drinking. You get carried away, you get a hangover. So I'm gonna try and do a little bit of like sober October as well, like to try and like ease off, because I didn't drink for 10 years, didn't drink alcohol for 10 years, and then 6 months ago got back into drinking alcohol, And it's good, but I can't be doing with the downtime. I never get anything done because like you end up with like a hangover, and then it eats into time that you could actually be doing something like vlogging. You know, whereas vlogging with a hangover, like, hey guys, I've got such a terrible hangover. So yeah, that's the plan. Subscribe for more and like if you want Vlogtober. Vlogtober. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much guys, and I'll see you all in the next vloggy vlog. Bye.